And the public will now have a wider participation in a revitalized People's Television. This by giving concrete suggestions on PTV's programs that are beneficial to the community. This is provided for in the new PTV Law signed recently by President Aquino. More from Elena Luna.
Republic Act number 10390. This is how the amended PTV Charter shall be known after President Aquino signed it into law last March 14. PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma says this will address the financial hemorrhage of PTV because of depleted capital and lack of source of funds.
President Aquino directed the crafting of a proposed bill. Later on, this bill was included in the priority list of the LEDAC. And so we worked on the Senate and the Congress to pass a new charter for People's Television that had two important features. Number one, infusion by government of fresh capitalization in the amount of 5 billion pesos. And number two, giving the network authority to collect commercial revenues.
2 billion of the 5 billion peso capitalization will be taken from the proceeds of the privatization of RBN 9 and IBC 13. The remaining 3 billion pesos shall be taken from the General Appropriations Act. This will fund PTV's upgrade of equipment, conceptualization of new shows, and compensation of employees' salaries and benefits.
Meron pong specific provision in the law that allows the Board of Directors and the management to implement a reorganization of the network. And it also says there that provided that an employee has rendered at least 1 year of service, such employee may be entitled to retirement and or separation benefits. The employees will be properly informed and they will be duly consulted as one of the relevant stakeholders. So we would like them to get involved in the process of working out what is properly due them. There are also unpaid benefits because of the financial hemorrhage, and we are also committed to address that issue as soon as we are able to generate additional funds for the network.
An important feature of the law is the 7-member advisory council, who will voluntarily render service to PTV without payment of honoraria, allowances, and other personal benefits.
With the enactment of the new PTV law, we hope to broaden the participation of the citizens in having a network that will mirror their aspirations. We want to invite the various sectors to give concrete suggestions on programs that will be beneficial to the community and to society. That is the rationale for the formation of an advisory council.
Even with the revitalized PTV law, the palace official says the Aquino administration will not allow those responsible for depleting the network's fund to go scot-free.
Patuloy naman po yung pag-aaral ng mga available records. And following this administration's commitment to good governance, we will pursue proper administrative or legal action against people that are found to have been involved in whatever irregularities could be properly documented or substantiated.
For the People's Television,